Hi, this is Brett Ridgway with 50biggestwebsitemistakes.com, and today's mistake we're going to talk about is mistake number 17, order buttons. We see this mistake quite a bit, or maybe we don't. So many times we see order buttons and form submit buttons that don't appear to be buttons. Many web designers will make a great looking graphical button to match the design of the rest of the site. While these buttons might look nice, they aren't always effective. There has been a lot of debate about whether graphical buttons are as effective as regular HTML style buttons. We suggest you test what works best for your market, but we'll make the comment you may have heard before. If it looks like a button and acts like a button, then it must be a button. Why would you want to chance the possibility of lost sales by hoping the website visitors realize that the graphic button you have in place is perceived as a button? This goes the same for your opt-in form buttons. You should be consistent with the button so the visitor knows what is and isn't a button. There are a few things you can do to enhance the regular HTML button to improve your results. You can see an example of some of this effect at our website, 50biggestwebsitemistakes.com. You can see we've increased the size of the button and text, as well as adding a red border around the button to help draw attention to the button. This increases the action to the button. Just as is true with many elements of marketing, copy is king, even on something as small as a button. By default, the text on an HTML button says simply submit, which really doesn't say much. You want to change the text or copy on the button to have some sort of instruction or action so that there's no question what's going to happen when they push the button. Some examples of copy to use on an order button would be click here to order now, or order now for only $29.95. A few examples for the opt-in button would be claim your free report today, or get a free chapter. By applying several of these strategies just with the button itself, you'll be surprised how much you will improve the conversion of opt-ins and orders. Of course, be sure that you test everything and monitor by using your stats programs. For more great website tips, please visit our site at 50biggestwebsitemistakes.com.